Did you know that wearing a protective style is actually key to optimal length retention for fine natural hair? I'm sure you knew this already, but what about installing cornrows or cornrows, depending on how you pronounce it, onto your fine natural strands in a way that's correct and won't break off your hair? Today is truly your lucky day because I'm going to show you exactly how I cornrow my own fine natural hair for the various different protective styles that I like to wear. When I cornrow my hair using this technique, it avoids breakage and it also helps me to retain as much of my fine natural hair growth as possible. Watch this video all the way to the end if you're tired of leaving the health of your precious fine natural strands in the hands of someone else and you really just want to take back the power of doing your own hair for yourself, starting with cornrows. Before we begin, go ahead and smash that subscribe button if you haven't already, because I've got over 252 videos right here on Fine Natural Hair Rocks that is dedicated to helping you grow as strong and as healthy a fine natural hair as possible. If any of that sounds good to you, go ahead and hit up that like button right now as well too. Okay, let's go. So we're gonna start on my old silk pressed hair. I've been rocking this silk press for a little over a week now. It's not as straight as it was when I first started, but that's a-okay because I've actually been able to keep it more or less straight despite the roots and still work out every single day, live my life normally every single day as well too. I really haven't changed much. So if you're interested in knowing exactly how I was able to do that, then definitely let me know in the comment section and I'd be happy to share my workout routine for silk pressed hair, especially since it's the cooler season and so many of us are actually rocking straightened silk pressed strands right now. I used a rat tail comb to part my hair because I wanted to minimize the manipulation. And so I'm also going to go in with a silk covered hair tie, which is also going to eliminate any moisture loss from my strands. Now, the reason why I used a rat tail comb, the end of it, as opposed to the actual teeth, is again to avoid as much manipulation as possible because it's really the manipulation when styling that causes the issues. Now, as I'm going ahead and, cornering my hair, you'll notice that after each braid, I'm always releasing the ends. Now, a lot of the times you'll see people showing how they cornrow their hair and they end up cornrowing it in a way where, they just allow the tangles to accumulate at the bottom of the strands. You don't want to do that because if you do let the tangles accumulate at the bottom of the strands, you're going to end up with a situation where there's nothing but knots at the ends, and that causes breakage. So this is the finished look. Now you'll notice that it's not the best cornrow in the world. I am not a stylist, girlfriend. I'm not. I'm simply just an individual who is trying to learn how to do my own hair on my own time. And so I wear wigs. I love a good protective style. These braids are not attractive braids to be worn outside, but they absolutely are good enough, strong enough to withstand any protective style that you may put on top. And best of all, they are also, installed in the least manipulative way possible, which is what is assisting my amazing length retention lately. It's what's been helping me grow out my edges. Like, this is precisely what I'm talking about when I say using the least amount of manipulation possible to avoid unnecessary breakage and unnecessary hair fall. So I'm just going to show you really quickly again what that looks like in the next couple of videos. Slides, moments, all of that good stuff. So yeah, just sit back, relax, and enjoy what's left of this cornrow. Are you confused about which fine natural hair products work the very best for your particular strands on your particular head of hair? If that sounds like you, go ahead and let me know in the comment box down below. If you're looking for solid fine natural hair product recommendations, gorgeous natural hair looking wigs that are gonna help you grow out your fine natural strands, or even simply just natural hair education, then I've got a treat for you. Go ahead and check out the link right there for the Fine Natural Hair Rocks Amazon store, where I share all of the products that have helped me go from, short and relaxed fine natural strands all the way down to just brushing mid-back length at this point. Girlfriend, are you watching Fine Natural Hair Rocks, but you're not even sure if you have fine natural hair? Tune in next week on Monday, October 31st, yes, Halloween, to figure out exactly if you've got fine natural strands and if you need to tweak some things in your regimen, maybe your products, so that you can start to treat your fine natural strands in the way that they need to be treated. In the meantime, go ahead and like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and check out this video next to see exactly how to detangle your fine natural hair strands for optimal length retention and optimal growth. See you in the next video. Bye!